Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure NerdWallet budgeting exports for smarter planning. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your NerdWallet account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the budgeting section of the platform. Locate the option for budgeting exports. Click on the budgeting exports link to access the export settings. You may see various format options available for your export. Choose the format that works best for your needs, such as CSV or Excel. Next, select the date range for the transactions you wish to export. Make sure to customize any additional filters according to your budgeting needs. Once you've selected your preferences, look for the Export button on the page. Click on the Export button to download your budgeting data. Open the downloaded file in your spreadsheet software. Review the data to ensure everything has been exported correctly. You can now analyze your spending trends and make informed financial decisions. Consider setting up a regular schedule for exporting your budget data. This will help you stay on track with your financial goals. Utilize the insights you gain from the exported data for smarter planning. Regular reviews will enhance your budgeting strategy and improve your financial management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.